Hey, welcome back. I'm trying to find a way to make these things more entertaining. I'll just keep them shorter. Okay, so we can zip around the house and we can do stuff now. This is obviously lame to have logic. If you click this, ripple down, find the object you clicked, and then do stuff. Okay, so an example of why it sucks. If you click this alarm clock, there'll be a conditional. You click the alarm clock, and then it goes over to here. Click the alarm clock. What did you do? You clicked it. Does it reset a timer? If it's a timer, yes. If it advances something, do something else. If it stops an alarm, do something else. And then the game logic goes off of that. That sucks. So this is not how you do your game logic. I created an empty object, added an FSM to it called core. This is going to have how the entire logic of the game goes, not in the raycast chunk. So this is all going to go away. The bare minimum pieces of data I want to have as global events are: what day is it? That's going to be like each day the challenges get harder. So it's the day, and the core pieces are time. Did I take my pills? Remember, this is going to be a game based on epilepsy. Did I eat, sleep, and do I have like work? Am I going to get fired? Now all these things kind of like, they're going to be ints, but they're going to progressively go down with time. So everything might be based on 100, and they tick down, except for the day goes up, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let's go and make those global variables. Doesn't really, since it's global, doesn't really matter what object you tack these into, because I'm going to convert them to globals in a second. So under core, let me scooch this over. I'm going to create new variables. Variable, make sure it's an int, and I'll call this day. Now, if you want to go ahead and convert these to global variables, you go ahead and right-click all of them, move to global variables. Now, these are no longer the variables that are specifically for the FSM of this object core. They're gone. So if you want to, because global variables are, guess what? They're global. So if you go to this little gear, click it, you can view global variables. It'll pop up the new tab, and you just go and dock it. And in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and yank out the logic for the raycast to a generic FSM that actually stores whatever object it hit, and it broadcasts a generic I hit you to the object FSM itself, and then it does its logic. Instead of having this crazy interact tree, this all goes away, this all goes away. Because if I click on, piece of food in the fridge, it's going to do a couple different things. It's going to make the piece of food go away. It's going to decrease our 8 variable. It's going to make seizure kind of post-processing effects go away. Versus if I click this clock, it's just going to roll back and stop a buzzing alarm or whatever. So that's the best part of separating the object logic from the interact raycast, if that makes sense. Cool. I'm going to start that video tomorrow. That might be a one-dayer, and I'll post it also the same day, which is today's Friday, tomorrow's Saturday. All right, cool. Have a good day. Bye.